Let me show you how to create a wavy text effect in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Text tab and add a heading. Type in your desired text. Customize the text style as you prefer. Then go to Effects and scroll down to select Curve. Use the slider to adjust the curve of your text. Now duplicate the text box and place it behind your original text. Change the text in the duplicated box if needed. Go back to Effects and select Curve again. This time, slide the adjustment in the opposite direction. That's how you create a wavy text effect in Canva. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.